Hi everyone, I am Prem. I am working as a software engineer from 10 plus year. So today we will see the GitHub Copilot AI models, how we can make our development as much as faster and we can increase the performance of the project, everything like related to your project. You can do using AI models, how Copilot works actually. So Copilot basically use the AI models to generate your natural language in a your programming code. Okay, so basically the models, the GitHub Copilot initially used the Codex, and now it used GPT. Okay, so there is many more models we will see. Okay, so these are the models we will see directly in the VS Code. Let me open. Okay, so let me explain more thing like why we need the different kind of models. Okay, so a junior employee works okay in your project. Okay, and how a senior person works in your project. Okay, so junior version it was the codex, and then it is increase the performance, and they develop the different models. Okay, now we have the like more performance wise faster models. Okay, so that Copilot are using okay internally. So you just need to select what your need. Okay, so okay, let's see where we can see the models. So we saw in last video these modes okay of Copilot, and these are the models. Okay, these like we can see the first standard models. Okay, so and these are the premium models which are basically available after your after purchase any plan. Okay, and these are the standard model basically available in the your trial version. Okay, okay, let me okay use Gemini 2. Okay, so what we are going to do today, I am creating one website. I will explain to Copilot chat. We want to create a fashion e-commerce web app using HTML method Bootstrap, creating the HTML structure for a homepage with Never using Bootstrap. Okay, design a card grid and write a contact form. Okay, so let's give this instruction to Copilot using this model Gemini. Okay, so basically it is taking this time. How it is faster we can see. Okay, so directly this it is created the index style CSS script.js file within it, which will form the basic structure of the web. Okay, you can see this file here index. You can open. It is generating the files. Okay, so it created the all the files. We will run this project. Okay, I ran this project. We can see that there is no image, so that's why it is not showing. Let me add the images using Copilot only. Add images as well. So it is saying like it will replace the images with the face and related images. Okay, so we can see it updated all the images. It updated. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see the files. Okay, so we can see this is not much responsive. Okay, so let me use the different model. Now we will use more accurate model. Add. Okay, let me. Okay, we already say script file. Okay, refactor. Okay, use working images for questions. Okay, you can see like how it is much faster with that. Okay, so the different models have the different kind of category. Like they some models are explained faster. Okay, and more accurate. Okay, so and some models basic like especially created for the documentation. Okay, now see. Okay, let create more responsive this create. Okay, refactor this website and make it more responsive. Okay, let me select the context file folder. You can see this explain like what it will do, and like it will add the these 6 point, and now it will add the these this point while refactoring. And let's see, it explained well because this is the different kind of model. Right? It has done enhanced navigation, sticky navbar, okay, shadows or everything. Okay, let keep that check. Okay, you see like how we created this website in a few minutes. Okay, now it is more responsive. Okay, so basically how models are works. Okay, so let's see with the different model. Okay, let's check in ask mode. Explain this application. Okay, if you see it is explaining as an e-commerce website overview, it is giving overview technical what it has follow. Okay, material you are everything. For features, we have the these features, what products, what how it works. Okay, responsive, it is responsive. So everything it has done. Okay, this document provides an overview of the application structure and functionality. Okay, basically how this Copilot work with the different models. Okay, I hope this video helpful for you to understand different kind of models and how it can be uh, increase your productivity. Okay, let put in comment if you face any issue uh, or if you want any different kind of example or different kind of exploration about the AI models or GitHub Copilot. Please put in comment. I would like to help you guys. Thank you.